Among the West Indies players currently settling into the New Zealand tour is the popular Raheem Jimbo Cornwall, the burly off spinner from Antigua, who the last time we checked weighed some 300 and odd pounds. Now, from time to time, Jimbo gets a lot of criticism for his weight and his mobility as a cricketer. Well, we'll find some company for Jimbo this evening. This brethren named Tarun Sandhya, playing in the recreational leagues in India, him look about the same size. In fact, he's heavier than Cornwall at about 330 pounds. Him bowl the same half spin, similar action. Balls travel same way. But importantly, although Sandhya is a movie actor and a part-time cricketer, a cricketer is still a cricketer. Yes. And in these challenging times for Jimbo, when he's trying to cement his place in the West Indies team, with all the pressure he's coming under, it must be good to know that Jimbo has another jumbo cricketer he can talk to. Yes. And it's not just another jumbo cricketer, he's a jumbo off spinner as well. Yes. They have enough things to talk about as to big off spinners. Yeah, man. Yes. A big people thing, Jimbo, yeah, man. Yes. Big people thing, yes. See the Jimbo? Real big man thing, Jimbo. Yes. Jimbo. I'm gonna eat that thing.